How to compress PDF file size without losing quality. So first of all, head over to any of the web browser and in the source bar search for Adobe. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on this interface. Now move into PDF and e-signatures. Over here you'll find the option of Compress PDF. Tap on it. Now just tap on Select a file. Select the PDF file that you want to compress it. And then tap on Open. Once you have selected your PDF file, right here you can select the compression label. You can select the label as per your need. And once you have selected, just tap on Compress. It will start to compress your PDF file. You need to wait for a while for it to complete. So there you go, the compression has been done successfully. Now just tap on Download right here. There you go, the download has been completed. So when you compress PDF file this way, you won't lose any quality of the file. So that's it, and this is simply how you can compress the PDF file without losing its quality. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.